Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a DIY in how to fix your bronzing powder. Spend so much money to actually buy this particular bronzing powder, or if you've actually got a bronzing powder that you've actually loved so much and you've just accidentally broke it. It's probably be thinking that as soon as you've accidentally broke your very expensive bronzing powder, you're gonna be ending up throwing it in the bin. No guys, we're here to help you to save that broken bronzer and also be able to save you some money. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle. Passion is to create videos and provide makeup tutorials and reviews to help you enhance your beauty and save some money. So if you enjoyed videos like this, please smash that like button and subscribe, because it helps me create content like this and provide as much value for you. Thank you so much for all your support, guys. So if you guys wanted to join me, if you guys wanted to learn how to fix your bronzing powder, please keep on watching. It's a bronzing powder from Biggera. So this was actually retail for $58 Australian dollars. So it's broken, guys. So we're actually going to fix this together. What you need is a paper towel, and you also need a rubbing alcohol, which is the isocol here in Australia. Really put it in a small container, in that way it's actually easy for me to squirt it all over the broken bronzing powder. Also got this little mixing spatula. If you actually don't have this mixing spatula, you can either just use a end of your fork or the spoon, the fork or the spoon handle. You can actually use that to press it down, or you can actually use a teaspoon. So what you need to do, making sure you got a clean area to work on, is to take the isocol or the rubbing alcohol, putting this all over the product, pressing down the product slowly. This is how it looks like when it's pressed down already. I've folded the paper towel on this side, and what we're gonna do, I'm going to press this down. I'm just gonna wipe the edges. That looks like now, guys. This looks brand new. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope I've actually did to help you out to save some money in saving your very expensive bronzing powder. Comment down below what video you want to watch next, and thank you so much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you wanted to see more of my future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button. And please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.